So part of the regional economic development strategy is making sure that young people know the options and the opportunity that they have here on the Sunshine Coast. There's a range of programs that have been delivered over the past few years, including the Mayor's Telstra Innovation Awards, the Big Day in Digital Careers Conference, the Generation Innovation GI Challenge, and the DeLorean Project at the Glasshouse Christian College. All of these projects are around building the soft skills and the capability of our young people so that they can compete in a global marketplace and a global workforce and really develop their entrepreneurial and business ideas. With those programs, they ask students to come up with a business idea. They submit that idea. They're then taken through a mentoring process with local industry leaders who volunteer their time. And they come out the other side with a more developed business idea that they get to do a live pitch on stage in front of the judges too. And it's a really great experience. It really is about these young people being able to get up on stage and learn those soft skills that are really difficult and really valuable in the marketplace.
We're part of an FTC robotics team called the Chancellor Robo Kings. We are on the same team. We've been on the same team together for 2 seasons now, and it's a worldwide robotics competition.
Part of the opportunity we've been given by joining the robotics club is to conduct outreach. So part of that outreach got us the connection with the Perugian Digital Hub.
Every holidays, we go there under the name TNT Robotics, and we teach CAD workshops and teach about 3D printing and advanced manufacturing like laser cutting to the younger generation to hopefully inspire them and get them to become more interested in robotics just like we were.
So RoboCoast, RoboRave, programs like that, I think it's very important in building up the skills that are needed, for example, our competition FTC for university level or further on.
So with all of those programs that we've developed and supported over the years, we realised that we needed to actually bring that together so we had a bit of an overview about all the youth innovation and entrepreneurship programs that were happening. So what we did is we brought together a group called Youth Innovation Sunshine Coast, and that really brings together those different groups and different stakeholders supporting youth innovation in the region and helps map out a bit of a calendar of events, a bit of a understanding about the pathways that students can go through, where they might start with one program and then go on to another program, and really supports them through that process. The other part of that is around connecting them with industry mentors and some real life examples of what they could be. And so I think providing those opportunities so they understand the pathway to success is super important, and that's what Youth Innovation Sunshine Coast does.